Hi friends, welcome back. It's Helena. I've been playing with SUNO 4.5 a lot. Here's a music video I made with it. Keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. I don't usually get much time playing with new things. As you know, I spend most of my time on OpenArt. So when Suno launched their new music model, I was just gonna briefly check it out, but I couldn't stop playing with it for like an entire day. And while it has a lot of powerful features like expanded genres, genre mashup and transitions, enhanced vocals, 8-minute music generation, we're gonna focus on my favorite feature and also, in my opinion, their most unique feature, music covers. This feature is so special to me because it means that AI music generation is not only supercharging professional artists, but also giving amateurs like me a means to express myself through music. I recently caught up with Arcane Season 2. It's a League of Legends cartoon, and I just can't get this scene and this music out of my head. It's such a pretty piece of work. So as I'm coming up with something to make with Suno, I want to see if we can cover the music with AI into lo-fi style so I can listen to it when I work. As beautiful as the original pieces, it's a little too distracting for my brain. So in a sense, I'm trying to make it less majestic and more chill. For the Suno cover feature, if you don't already have audio samples ready in your computer, I actually recommend using their mobile app. They make it really easy to use. You can tap the middle button. You can upload a file from the left button. You can pick any file that you already have on Suno from the right button. And this little bar at the bottom means we're now in a mode where we would use audio to influence the music generation. If we click on the middle one, we can go to text to music generation. And something really fun is we also have a camera button that lets us take pictures or record videos. So I can hum a tune, tap out a beat, or sing a melody. So now the audio is uploaded. We're gonna make it instrumental because I didn't say anything, and we'll try Japanese country. I don't know why I was giving those vibes. Your groove is on its way. From my experience, it's actually pretty fast. Oh, it's ready. Every time we create, we get two pieces. So if you're on the phone, you can just swipe down and listen to the second piece. If you swipe down even more, you'll see a swipe to create another two songs. And now, if you don't want to waste any more credits, don't swipe down again, because I think I've done that many times because I kind of sometimes just brainlessly scroll. And I wasted quite a bit of credits doing that. So now to make our Arcane song, Ma Meilleure Ennemie, I definitely did not say that right. I just looked it up. We just have to do something very similar. So when you're covering a song with AI, you do need to be mindful of copyrights, just as how you would go about it with any other non-AI tools. Suno won't let you upload a known piece of music. So I actually had to play the music on a keyboard and then record it. It seems that when you've already kind of covered it once without AI, it's not similar enough to be banned. And of course, even so, you can't use it for commercial purposes and you have to give suitable credits. because we're trying to make lo-fi, we'll also turn on instrumental. The prompt I used was very simple. I put lo-fi, chill pop, and calming. Those usually give me pretty nice stuff for aesthetic background music. And you'll notice I put in here exclude styles piano because I've noticed whatever that's in your audio actually plays a big influence in the generated music. So even though I put lo-fi chill pop in my first attempt, I still got basically just a piano song. It's still very beautiful. It became mostly piano, went into lo-fi pretty late, and even when it did, it was still quite piano. So we can basically use this as something like a negative prompt for images and videos. If you're making use of some instrument in your audio but don't want that in your generation, use this. I got a few different versions, took about 2 or 3 tries. This one had a little too much bonfire for what I wanted because this original song's quite melancholic and I didn't want it to be that cozy. For this one, after the beginning, the melody we uploaded became too strong and it didn't blend well with the other lo-fi sounds. My favorite was this one. And because I really liked it, I also tried to remaster this. I realized for this genre, at least, it tends to make the song much more crisp and brighter. So it's not really what I'm looking for here, but it could be good for some vocal genres. Now let's enjoy Ma Meilleure Ennemie, but lo-fi. Hope you'll find it to help you focus.